Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Hey Jon, jabbering opportunities nonstop, and we're gonna be covering some AMC and Dogecoin this morning. Let us see what is Dogecoin and AMC doing. Well, AMC is rocking and rolling, and Dogecoin is, well, rolling over. That is unfortunate, but oh geez Louise, Dogecoin is rolling over, baby. Like it, but those things here. Hey Crystal, what's up? What's up, Crystal? All right, so let's go ahead and first do some AMC real quick, and then we will go into Dogecoin, okay? So AMC last night, I will say for AMC, it needs to crack above 63.86, okay? And 63.86 is currently turning into a resistance of sorts, and we're kind of pulling back currently. However, though, I'm seeing a new base getting set up at 60.58, which was a resistance, and now turning into a support. So to me, this looks like AMC can continue higher. Okay, so 63.88 and 67.21 are gonna be the numbers to watch today in AMC. AMC can break 63.88 and make it and have some consolidation there. The next step is going to be 67.21. All right, so I suspect this can happen here because I am seeing the bulls showing strength here. Okay, every time the bulls move up a little bit, they do a new consolidation and then they continue the price higher. So to me, this is the bulls showing strength, and we're seeing temporary pullbacks. That's okay. You want to see temporary pullbacks because when you see that, that means you are able to see some consolidations and some strength building for the next bull run. All right. So if 60.58 breaks down, then the next support will be at around, let's see here, will be at about $55 pretty much. So again, you know, if you're an AMC bull, I would not be panicked right now. If anything, the AMC bulls are showing some extreme poise and extreme strength here. So of course, you always want to make sure you protect yourself and you don't believe what you hear on YouTube all the time, because there are tons of people hyping up right now. But on a chart, from a chart perspective, we're seeing some nice consolidation and nice moving up. So to me, this is very, very good. All right, so let me go ahead and do some Dogecoin now. Okay, Dogecoin is my first love, and currently Dogecoin isn't doing very well. I'm a little sad by that. A little sad. I'm gonna shed a tear for Dogecoin. All right, so let's go ahead into Dogecoin now. Okay. So you can see Dogecoin here, right? Still trading in a downward trend line. That is a no bueno thing right there for the most part. And we're just continuing the downward trend. I mean, to no surprise though, I've been calling it out for the past, like, I don't know, too long now, I believe. This downtrend this downward trend for Dogecoin is actually ridiculous. And cryptocurrency, it's been this for probably like maybe 6 weeks now. It's quite bothersome. Actually, let me count. I'm not too sure. I think 6 weeks though. Let me see. Okay, it's been about 41 days. So yeah, about 6 weeks. You know, 5.5 weeks, about 6 weeks pretty much. My God, that's a long time, man. Jeez Louise. So yes, we're still continuing down and we're still pulling back. That's no bueno, but it should be no surprise though, okay? It should be no surprise. All right, look for resistance and support around 27.42, okay? At around 27.42, that will be your support zone. All right, if that goes, then it'll be 24.96 and then it'll be 21.49. So those will be your support zones. I suspect we may or may not get there. I'm hoping we don't. I don't want to go there. I want to make sure and see that the Dogecoin bulls continue to hold their positions, but it seems like the Dogecoin bulls aren't as dedicated as one would think. However, I am still super dedicated, and I haven't sold one Dogecoin, and I have no reason to, because I know where it's going in the future and long run. In the meantime, in interim, this is all noise. All right, on the 4-hour perspective here, you can see that we are trading down and we're trending down. And now we're continuing to trade to the downside. Let's see here. Okay. This shouldn't be any surprise though, because we were riding the downward trend line, and eventually, if you ride it enough, you're probably gonna break down below it. Last night when I was showing you guys in a previous live stream, that's usually how it works for the most part. So now we're kind of pulling back, but if you're day trading this could be a very easy day trading opportunity, since it's trading anytime you get around to the downward trend, anywhere towards a downward trend line, that is usually a resistance. That's kind of where people start selling off. So it's very easy to do some day trades. The only thing is that even though it's an easy day trade, the trading range is very narrow. So that means that your profit margins are very narrow as well. So just be aware of that, and make sure if you're day trading Dogecoin, make sure you are only going in as a day trader, right? Don't make your day trade into a long-term investment. Right. Okay, so on a 4, we're still trading down, no bueno. Let's see on the hourly here. On the hourly here, it's showing a different story. If you look at, look, because now we can kind of see a little closer here. I'm seeing a lower low unfold and a higher low unfold. So to me, this is signifying and continuing the downtrend. And this means it will continue for some time to the future here. Usually when you see this kind of pattern here, that means do not expect any quick bounces in the near term. If you do see a bounce, well, it'll be a quick flash bounce, but what I'm referring to is a recovery bounce. So I suspect we want to be seeing a recovery bounce anytime soon. And my gosh, is that is unfortunate. That's the word I think around, unfortunate. Let's see here. So we're continuing the downtrend. Okay, let's see if we can get below 28 cents. Okay, all right. If we get below 28 cents, then I would say, you know what, there is going to be some cause to follow down. Let's see what else I see here. Let's go ahead and go into the 15-minute here to see what's going down. All right. Whoa. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay, so Dogecoin is still trending down. You can see on the 15-minute perspective here. You can see on the 15-minute now we are starting to break down, and you're seeing the moving averages actually doing a sharp downward trend. So this is signifying a in a sense a flash crash in a sense right there. So to me, usually when this happens here, when you see a divergence between the moving averages, this tells me that you're seeing significant pullback here. And usually this means that someone or some bodies decided to relinquish their position, and these people or some bodies, well, they have quite a bit of Dogecoin, and when they sold off, they are moving the market down. So what are the reasonings for someone selling off here, right? Well, the reasoning could be simply because they got bored of it. or because they found a different opportunity and they want to liquidate their position here and go somewhere else. So those are the usual culprits for why someone sells their position, because they want to go invest something else where they think, you know what, I think over here I will get higher returns. Alrighty then. But the good thing is, folks are buying that dip, though. That is the good news right there. Okay, AMC bulls are still popping up here. Currently at 63.60. Okay, again. 63.86. 63.86 is the number to watch out for AMC. Okay, we are still charging towards that. What do you mean? Josh Dale says Matt Wallace is crying in his Cheerios. What does that mean? I don't get it. Cheerios? Okay. I guess he eats cereal, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. Alright, so yeah. We're still bouncing down, and in my opinion, these are what you want to call dip buying opportunities. Yes, I know. You buy a dip and it dips some more. Well, that's kind of why I always emphasize to only nibble and never bite, because nobody knows how far or how high up something will go up to. Only the whales know, and the whales are the smart money, because, well, they're smart because they dictate where things go, right? If they want to move it up, they'll buy it up, and they have the money to push it up here. If they want to push it down, well, they have the shares and the coins to sell it off and bring it down. So just one of those things, hey folks, just one of those things right there, right? So so now you know where Dogecoin is going. You're seeing a divergence. You're seeing AMT going towards 63.86. So you know where the support and resistance are for the breakout point. So I will be making a follow-up video later in the evening today. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so when I come live and give you guys the next update, you are here. So take care, and I'll catch you all on the next one here.